How to add volume buttons on screen on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to display a volume button in your home screen, what you will have to do is install an application called Volume Button app. Go to your Play Store and then simply search for volume button. Now this is the one that you'd be looking for. Simply install this application. This application will work or will be very useful if your volume button is broken and you need to access to your volume keys. So as you can see, when you install the application, it will appear in your home screen and just tapping on the application will display your volume button in your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.